Welcome to a special video tour of the 50th anniversary home by Schult from the Landmark series. This home is now available at Factory Home Center. This model is in celebration of 50 years of home building, excellence, and design. I'm Kaylee, and we're going to walk you through this home that is 3-bedroom, 2-bath.
Interior boasts a 9-foot flat ceiling, mix of high-quality Shaw carpet and durable Shaw linoleum in high-traffic areas. Lighting is provided by LED efficiency can lighting, ensuring every corner of the home is bright and welcoming. The kitchen is a standout feature, with Duracraft cabinets and soft close and satin hardware for a sleek design, while the stainless steel sink and pull-down faucet give some modern features. The bedrooms are designed with comfort in mind, featuring shelving, wardrobes, smoke detectors, and safety with egress windows for emergency exits. Moving to the bathroom, we see a dual sink system and a large 60-inch swinging glass shower. In each bathroom, it features a 36-inch vanity height and framed mirrors. There are many unique upgrades that we have put into this home. Check out this flex room. Talk about warm and welcoming house. Speaking warm, insulation is key in this home, and in Minnesota it matters the most. This home is Energy Star certified with a high-efficiency gas furnace and other energy-efficient features. This helps to keep our costs down and not at the expense of our home buyers.
This home is not just a home, but a showcase of 50 years of excellence that is beautiful and built to last. We are excited at Factory Home Center to help you find your dream home. For more information, talk with one of our sales consultants or at www.factoryhomecenter.com.